Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anagha, a digital marketing consultant for nonprofits. In my last video, we explored how ChatGPT and Canva AI can be the powerful AI tools for NGOs to tell and show powerful impact stories. Today, we will see how we can ease out the work of frontline warriors who work directly on the ground, collecting data, interacting with communities, preparing reports, etc. Sounds like a good news? I know. I know how daunting field workers' task is, who also have to deal with a lot of language, technical and professional limitations. That's why today we are diving into how Meta AI can assist NGO field workers with their daily tasks. Most of us know that Meta AI is integrated into Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. The Meta AI, which is integrated into WhatsApp, can work as a handy and a game-changing support AI tool for these frontline warriors of NGOs and nonprofits. Because doing it manually can be overwhelming, also, it may lack accuracy a lot of times. Field workers are the lifeblood of NGOs as they interact directly with beneficiaries, execute programs and campaigns, collect data and feedback, write reports and impact stories. And they often have to do all of this without a communication or tech team by their side. Let's say a field worker just returned from a water tank installation project, and instead of typing the entire report from the scratch, he or she can prompt Meta AI, write a simple report about installing a new water tank in village X, 300 people benefited, women no longer have to walk 4 kilometers daily, the community celebrated the installation with a small event, and boom, he or she is ready with the result. Just a little fact check, editing, etc. is required, and it's ready for email or posting. So let's check in detail how Meta AI can help these frontline heroes in their 5 regular tasks. First of all, let's see how Meta AI can help them in collecting and summarizing data. Let's consider after interacting with 100 plus households, a field worker needs to quickly summarize the key observations. Here, Meta AI can help him with summarizing survey answers into clear notes, then organizing raw data into structured formats such as tables or short summaries, and also in translating key findings into local or report-friendly language. For this, he can give a prompt to Meta like, summarize this field data into garbage bins placed in village X in 10 bullet points. That's it. Then let's see how Meta AI can help the NGO frontline workers in monitoring and evaluation support. Weekly update meetings need clear performance metrics or quick visualization. In this, Meta AI can help with drafting monitoring summaries. Also, it can help with suggesting indicators or evaluation formats and converting feedback into performance insights. Here, he can use a prompt like, draft a 200-word update showing the number of families impacted by our solar light distribution last week. Now let's see how Meta AI can help our frontline warriors in writing field reports faster. End of week reporting is time consuming and repetitive. So for that, Meta AI can help with creating first drafts of reports, then formatting bullet points into paragraphs, and rewriting complex updates into simple and clear English. Here a prompt can be used like, convert these notes into a weekly field report, visited 3 schools, conducted 2 awareness sessions, 120 children attended. Yes, the prompt can be as raw as this, but they should include all the facts and acts that you need in the result. Then Meta AI can also help with creating impact stories. Let's say a donor needs a short success story from the field. Meta AI can help you with turning raw experiences into powerful stories, adding emotion while maintaining accuracy, and structuring stories into short video scripts or social media posts. Here, a prompt can be used is write a 1-minute emotional story of a widow named Meena who started earning from stitching after our NGO's tailoring training. Meta AI can also help with creating community awareness material. Let's take an example like field team need to spread awareness about hygiene or education. Here, Meta AI can help with drafting simple, engaging awareness message in local languages and also in creating slogans, posters or radio style scripts and summarizing information in storytelling format. A prompt can be used here is write a simple health awareness message for WhatsApp groups about boiling the drinking water during monsoon. And that's it. But here I have an important note to share. While Meta AI is helpful, always double check the facts, correct community names, and adjust the tone for cultural relevance. Never forget to review and edit the AI's suggestions. Make sure stories and facts are 100% accurate before sharing them. AI helps you save time, definitely. But your field inside needs the truth and quality, which can be achieved only through the human touch. Consider AI tool as your assistant, not as a final authority. The final authority should be you or someone in your team. Okay. So let me share a quick example with you. One of the NGOs in Maharashtra I'm working with trains their field team to use Meta AI for reporting. Instead of struggling to write weekly reports from the scratch, they now generate first drafts in seconds, freeing up time for more impactful field work. And the result is wonderful content, better communication, happier donors, and reduced burnout for the team. So Meta AI can really be a game changer for field staff. It's a tool that is simple, accessible, and already available in the apps they use daily, that are WhatsApp and Facebook. If you manage grassroots workers, encourage them to use Meta AI prompts and share this video with them. With the right support, tech can truly amplify your impact on the ground. Meta AI is like having a smart assistant in your pocket. Drop your questions in the comments if you want prompt suggestions or wish to train your field team to use Meta AI. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Bye for now.